Hello and welcome to the Digital Palette YouTube channel. Today, we're going to create some cool pattern designs using a Geometric Mandala Bundle, a collection of pattern elements available in SVG, PNG, and AI formats. You can make some truly amazing patterns from this bundle. We'll be creating these pattern designs in Adobe Illustrator, but you can use any other design software that supports these formats to make your patterns. Here you can see the Geometric Mandala Pattern Bundle. First, I'll copy the first pattern element and paste it into a new project artboard. Let's scale it down and center it on the artboard. Now, I'll set the resolution of the pattern element to 300 pixels from the Properties panel. Next, go to the Object menu, choose Pattern, and click Make. You can try out different tile types to create various styles of pattern tiles from the selected element. Grid, brick by row, brick by column, hex by column, hex by row. Each tile type produces a unique look. You can also adjust the width and height spacing between pattern designs and scale the pattern elements using the transform options. Once you're happy with the settings, click Done, and your pattern is ready. Now, using the Rectangle tool, draw a rectangle the same size as the artboard from the Properties panel and center it perfectly on the artboard using the Align options. Select the pattern we just created from the Swatches panel, click to apply it, and there's our pattern design. You can use it at any size and in any shape. If you want to edit the pattern, simply double-click on it in the Swatches panel. From there, you can change the colors, scale, rotation, and more. Our pattern design from the mandala elements is now complete. You can use all of the pattern elements in this bundle to create unique and stylish designs according to your needs. Let me quickly make a few variations and show you, in fast speed, how easily you can create a wide variety of patterns using these elements. Here's a collection of patterns I just made using some of the elements from the bundle. You can also use these elements as graphics for digital print designs, as you can see here in these mock-ups, applied on wall art frames, t-shirts, sweatshirts, and book covers. The possibilities with this bundle are truly unlimited. These hand-drawn geometric mandala patterns are available in Adobe Illustrator, SVG, and PNG file formats. Follow the link in the description to get your copy of the bundle. Thanks for watching this digital palette tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back soon with another tutorial featuring more design tips and techniques. Don't forget to subscribe to the Digital Palette YouTube channel. See you again, thank you, and bye.